In this video, you'll learn how to create a timeline in Notion. By following these steps, you will effectively organize and visualize your projects or events within the Notion workspace. First, navigate to Notion.so in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will either see your existing workspace or be prompted to sign in. If you need to sign in, enter your credentials to access your Notion account. Next, locate the option to add a new page. This is typically found in the sidebar on the left. Click on the button labeled Add a New Page. After clicking, you should see a blank workspace appear on your screen. After that, click on the blank space in your new page. This action will allow you to start adding content. Once the space is active, type in /timeline view. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear with suggestions. Once the suggestions appear, click on Timeline View. This will create a new timeline block within your page. You will notice that the timeline block is now ready for further customization. Next, click on the title placeholder at the top of the timeline. This will allow you to rename your timeline, type in timeline or any other name that reflects the content you plan to organize. After naming your timeline, click on Card 2 within the timeline block. You will see the card become highlighted, indicating it is selected. Drag this card from the left to the right to adjust its position on the timeline. You should repeat this action with card 1, selecting it and dragging it from left to right as well. This allows you to arrange your timeline visually as needed. Once both cards are positioned as desired, click on a blank space within the timeline to finalize the adjustments. This will ensure the timeline is updated and displays the cards in their new locations. With these steps completed, you have successfully created a timeline in Notion. Thank you for following along and see you in the next tutorial.